x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0 has n real roots. Then what will be the value of n? Now we can see that all these are squares, and we know that all squares are always positive. Now, even if the squares are not positive, the squares would be either 0, right? So if we want the addition of these squares to be equal to 0, that means all these individual brackets squares must be equal to 0. So if we try to make the first bracket equal to 0, then we'll have to put x equal to 1. But if we put x equal to 1, the first bracket becomes 0 plus the next bracket becomes 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 whole square, that it becomes plus 1 plus 1 minus 2, that is minus 2 whole square, that means it becomes 4, that is it becomes 5. But we want it to be equal to 0. So 5 is not equal to 0. So same thing will happen for each of these brackets. If we try to make one of the brackets is equal to 0, then the other two brackets would be equal to 0. So therefore it won't satisfy the equation. And therefore this equation has 0 real roots. Hence the answer will be option C.